Hi also, I'm a little late on this trend, but I did want to jumpstart my channel all over again with a new video, and I thought what better way to do that than a cosplay makeup tutorial. Some of you guys know me personally and know that I cosplay Ciel Phantomhive, and I've cosplayed him for the past 5 years. I had to think about that. So I've cosplayed Ciel Phantomhive for the past 5 years. And now, while I have been retiring him for the past couple years, I am going to be bringing back a whole new handmade costume, and I'll have a new wig for him, and I'll have new stuff for him, basically. But I figured what better way to do this than to do a makeup tutorial by MishKali's, and I'm gonna try to follow her tutorial, and you can find this tutorial. I will also put it right here and down below, so all original links for that will be down below. I will also be putting any makeup that I do use down below. Most of the makeup that I do use is fairly on the cheaper side, but it is really good for your skin if you do have sensitive skin. Okay, so let's get started. First, I want to start off by saying I forgot to take my makeup off before doing this video. We're going to do that now. Okay, now that you got that done, your face is clean, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that you got that done, your face is clean, let's go ahead and get started.
Hello, hi, and welcome to my Ciel Phantomhive makeup tutorial. And yes, for this tutorial, I am showing how to do the makeup for both eyes. First off, I start with my foundation and concealer. Apply this a bit heavier than I usually would because I try to have a more smooth, youthful look to my skin.
First off, she is applying that with no brush or no sponge or anything, and that's very concerning.
Then I take a powder foundation.
Okay. She says something about powder foundation. I don't have a powder foundation, but oh well. So I guess I'm not going to be using a sponge for this. This is terrifying. My face is gonna hate me later.
And just smooth out my skin tone with that all over my face. I apply it heaviest underneath my eyes, and then I blend it out into my neck. Take a light beige eyeshadow and apply it all over my lid and upper brow bone.
Okay, so I do have a light beige. I don't have any powders and stuff for my face because my face is very, very, very dry. My skin in general is just pretty dry, so I try not to use any like powders if I can help it on my face.
A shade slightly darker than the one I used before and apply it to the creases of my eyes. Don't go past the middle part of my eye. And tight line my upper and lower waterline, but on the outer corners of my eyes, I apply it heaviest to better contour my eyes to Ciel's eye shape. Then take a liquid liner pen. I draw this to better fit Ciel's eye shape, which is thinner towards the inner parts of your eye and then gradually make it larger the farther it gets away. I try to make this look as natural as possible, so don't go too crazy, but if you feel like you need to apply a little more, a little less, based on your eye shape, and then by all means do so. For the ends, I don't have it at a point, I have it kind of at like a rounded point. You're not wanting to do a cat eye, you're trying to contour your eyes to look like Ciel's.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I couldn't agree more.
With a black.
I don't have a, well, I do have a liquid eyeliner, but it is completely almost out, and I try not to use it too often, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my pencil.
Like eyeshadow, I shade and blend out the outer corners of my eyes, and to give it a bit more depth and not make it look so harsh with the eyeliner.
That's actually not that smart, or that's actually pretty smart. Okay, so I guess we're gonna take a black eyeshadow and blend.
That powdered concealer again, I just clean up underneath my eyes and around them in case I've made a little bit of a mess. So reapply that powder to my hot spots, as the facial contouring people do say. This is again just to further create that youthful look, and as my makeup artist says on set, there is no such thing as too much powder.
Again, don't have powder.
With black eyeshadow, I fill in my eyebrows following my natural brow shape, but with a little bit more of an arch. You can use a black or a dark gray, depending on how you see Ciel's eyebrow color.
Okay. I don't really think it's black necessarily, but I mean, I usually just go to match my wig. So I'm just gonna do like, I like to mix a little bit because, okay, Ciel's hair is a very iffy color. Some people say it's blue, some people say it's gray. So I like to go to a smooth in between. I like to do a little bit of gray and then I like a smidgen, like one little dot of blue, just to match in between with my wig. Could not think of the word. For this, I'm just using a eyeshadow, by the way.
Then clean that up with that same powdered concealer. Smooth out any hot spots that I've noticed. And someone took down their hair because they thought they were done. No, you have to apply the mascara. If you have dark eyelashes or naturally long lashes, please just forget this part. Ciel is a boy. A very girly and pretty boy, but a boy nonetheless.
True.
I have blonde eyelashes, so I have to do this. Apply it generously, but not overly
Same.
so, and try to focus again on the outer corners of your eye.
Okay, so it looks like she's doing
Then putting
the mascara before the contacts, so let me go grab those contacts real quick. I'm going to do those first before the mascara because I like to be able to lift my eyelid. My eyes are already blue, but considering how big the contact is compared to my regular eye, I like to wear a natural or lighter blue contact. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in so it kind of matches in size and color.
your contact. The link for my contacts is seen in the description.
I got my contract on a bid, so
I handmade mine, so
not
please don't
sure.
ask me where I bought it.
If you do want to find the contact, you can find her, find where she got hers and the link underneath her video.
Secure it with a
But
clip.
I'm not
You can
sure
put the eye
exactly
patch
if they still
underneath
sell
the
mine.
wig
I got
on
mine
top
as a
of the
bid.
wig. Then the wig, I get asked about this wig almost every single day. I got it off eBay. No, the seller is no longer selling it, but I have found one that closely matches my own, and you can find that in the description below.
Wait time. Sorry if you keep hearing me sniffle. I do have a lot of allergies right now, so. And this is my temporary wig, so I might redo my own, like I might do a Ciel makeup tutorial of my own when I get all new stuff for him. And he's completely revamped. Alright.
And then you're done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope it's helpful for anyone who's wanting to cosplay Ciel or any character. If you happen to use this tutorial, please let me know by tagging me at MishKali_ on Instagram or throw it up on my Facebook wall. You can find those links in the description below. If there's any other cosplays you want to see me do, please leave those in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Alright guys, so that was it. Again, if you want the contract, you can go on down below and look in the description, and I will have the link to her video. She said it's under in the description where she got her wig and her contract. So if you're looking for those things, you're going to have to go over to her video. This lovely woman right here is the reason why I got highly into cosplay. She's the one who really truly inspired me to cosplay Ciel and cosplay and start a channel on its own. And so I just really want to say thank you. I believe your name, I'm not sure if you want your name on here, but anyway, I just wanted to say thank you personally for making all those videos and continuing to make videos and really good content. And I know you were tired of Ciel, which I completely get, but thank you for remaking this makeup tutorial and making it so I can use it. Thank you so much. To you guys watching this video, leave a comment down below on what you think and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.